Hello, my name is Diana Osborne and I'm the founder of Hair Holistic Studio here in Toronto and a holistic hair expert. Recently, we brought in a new hair care company called the High-End Hippie, and I am so excited to specifically bring in this type of product to the store. So this is available in studio as well as our online store at hairholistic.ca. And the very special thing about the High-End Hippie is that they create beautiful salon quality shampoo and conditioner bars. So we have shampoo and conditioner bar. These come in different sizes, as well as a little plate to hold them on to make sure that we get every last drop of goodness out of these. And so one of the most commonly asked questions that I personally receive is, how do I use a shampoo and conditioner bar? So today I'm at the studio. I'm actually going to be washing my hair. And so we're gonna go through the steps of exactly how you can use these products and how they will help your hair. So let's go. I wet my hair down really well, and I am using the Restore shampoo bar. So this is for hair that is on the drier side, highlighted. I'm actually going to be using a spray bottle to wet down the shampoo bar because we want lots of water, right? This is a concentrate. It's a concentrated product. Now, there's two ways that we can use this. Depends on what is easiest for you. So on one, you can rub it in really wet hands, create a lather, and then apply directly in. Or what I like to do is we're just gonna rub the bar directly on our head. I'm gonna work this in a little bit more, and then I'm gonna rinse. So I have rinsed out the Restore shampoo bar, and now we're going to go in with a conditioner. I always recommend using a conditioner unless you have very, very short hair. Conditioners will help to seal in the hydration that is water that we've just put all through our hair, which is amazing for it, and adds a little boost of moisture too. Usually in the shower, we would already have water all over this, but I'm gonna wet down the conditioner bar. Again, there are two ways you can do this. We can either rub it between our hands and then simply apply directly to, oh my gosh, you can already see this is detangling my hair, which is usually very tangling, or we can rub and just smooth that down so it's in my hand. I like to apply my conditioner mids to ends. Usually in the winter, I will start to bring it up closer to the root, but primarily we're focusing on mids to ends of hair. So once I feel like there's good slip in my hair, I like to massage and really work the product in. This is actually going to improve the efficacy, and you're going to need less product. You have the option to use a wet brush or a tangle teaser if you would like, and comb that through. And sometimes I actually like to let this just sit for a little bit, give some deeper moisture. So while we're doing that, I want to tell you a little bit more about the company. So the High-End Hippie is a company from BC. It is formulated without SLS, parabens, phthalates, artificial fragrance, and there's also no colors in it. They are completely color safe, vegan and organic and naturally derived, which is incredible. And for every 2 bars purchased, 1 tree is planted. As you know, I love working with smaller makers that really align with the ethics of myself and Hair Holistic, and so this is, of course, one of those companies. I am going to rinse this out and then style my hair, and that is how I use the shampoo and conditioner bars. Now, before I leave you, I did want to touch on a couple hot tips that are going to make your experience with shampoo and conditioner bars even better. The first one is storage. We want to make sure that we're using something like this. So this is wood with little slats in it, and that just ensures that the moisture from using the shampoo and conditioner bar drains away and does not stay on it. This will prolong the use of your bar and ensure that it doesn't break down more in the shower. The other that I wanted to talk about is this amazing little bag. And this is great for a couple different things. So first of all, amazing for travel. You can pop your bars inside of this because they'll be dry, throw them in your suitcase. No need to worry about how much liquid you have or if you're checking your bag. This is amazing. And the second use for this is that as your bars get smaller, they tend to fall apart. This is your best friend. pop it inside. You can actually wet this, lather it, and use it as your shampoo and conditioner bar until it is completely gone. So these are incredible, again, for prolonging the use of your product. I hope this has been helpful today. If you need any help deciding what shampoo and conditioner bar is right for you, or if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at Hair Holistic, and we would be more than happy to help you start your zero waste hair care journey.